Hi everyone, welcome to ESL Tutor for All. Today we're learning all 16 English tenses for the verbs eat and drink. Don't worry, we'll go step by step. For each tense, I'll teach you when we use it, the sentence structure, and simple examples for each verb. Ready? Let's dive in. First, the present tenses. Present simple. We use the present simple for habits, routines, or facts that are always true. The sentence structure consists of subject plus base verb. Here's an example with the verb eat. I eat breakfast every day. Here's an example with the verb drink. They drink water every morning. Present continuous. We use the present continuous for things happening right now. The sentence structure consists of subject plus the verb be plus verb with ing. For example, she is eating lunch now. They are drinking juice. Present perfect. We use the present perfect when something started in the past and continues in the present. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has plus past participle. For example, they have eaten already. He has drunk all the milk. Present perfect continuous. We use the present perfect continuous to show how long something has been happening. The sentence structure consists of subject plus have or has been plus verb with ing. For example, she has been eating for an hour. They have been drinking all the water. Now the past tenses. Past simple. The past simple is used for actions that finished in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus past tense verb. For example, he ate pizza yesterday. We drank coffee last night. Past continuous. The past continuous is used for actions in progress at a specific time in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus was or were plus verb with ing. For example, I was eating when the phone rang. They were drinking soda after school. Past perfect. The past perfect is used for actions that happen before another past action. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had plus past participle. For example, she had eaten before the movie. We had drunk tea after dinner. Past perfect continuous. The past perfect continuous shows how long something was happening before another past event. The sentence structure consists of subject plus had been plus verb with ing. For example, they had been eating for 20 minutes when I arrived. I had been drinking wine when she arrived at the restaurant. Next, the future tenses. Future simple. The future simple is used to talk about something that will happen. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will plus base verb. For example, I will eat later. We will drink lemonade. Future continuous. The future continuous shows something in progress at a specific future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will be plus verb with ing. For example, she will be eating at 7 p.m. I will be drinking coffee at noon. Future perfect. The future perfect is used to show something will be finished before a future time. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have plus past participle. For example, we will have eaten by 6 p.m. They will have drunk it all by tomorrow. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous shows how long something will have been happening by a future point. The sentence structure consists of subject plus will have been plus verb with ing. For example, they will have been eating for 30 minutes by then. We will have been drinking when the food arrives. Finally, the conditional tenses. Conditional simple. The conditional simple is used to talk about possible future actions. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would plus base verb. For example, I would eat more if I were still hungry. You would drink soda if you liked it. Conditional continuous. The conditional continuous is used to show an action that might be happening now or in the future. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would be plus verb with ing. For example, they would be eating lunch right now. She would be drinking juice if it was available. Conditional perfect. The conditional perfect is used to talk about something that would have happened in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have plus past participle. For example, I would have eaten if I knew there was food. He would have drunk it if he knew it was there. Conditional perfect continuous. The conditional perfect continuous shows how long something would have been happening in the past. The sentence structure consists of subject plus would have been plus verb with ing. For example, we would have been eating for hours if we stayed. They would have been drinking water to stay hydrated. Congratulations! You just learned all 16 English tenses with eat and drink. To keep practicing, rewatch this video. Pause and repeat the examples often to remember. Want more help? Click the link in the description to download our free worksheet to review all the tenses from this video. All the details are in the description below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. Thanks for watching and see you next time.